In this video, I will show you how you could create a invite link for Steam, so you could send it to your friends and they can join. Um, so first thing you're gonna want to do, I'm in this game Peak. You're gonna want to press Shift and Tab, and this will bring up the Steam overlay. Okay. Once you're here, you're gonna click on the friend symbol right here at the bottom, friend symbol. As you can see, I have my list of friends that are online. Um, then you wanna click on this button right here, invite anyone to play. Click on it, and not this one but this one. It says invite a guest, invite anyone with just a link. You're gonna press this, and boom, as you can see, I have this link right here. It created it for me. You're gonna press this copy button. Okay, once you press this copy button, you have this link right here that you can send to anybody in like their message and stuff, and then when they click on it, they can join your server. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.